Welcome back to Vyapti Curious Minds. Every day, beneath our feet, millions of tiny workers are busy doing a job that no machine can fully replace. They don't ask for recognition, they don't make noise. Most people never even notice them. Yet, without these humble creatures, forests would struggle, farms would produce less food, and ecosystems around the world would begin to collapse. Meet the earthworm, the silent engineer of our planet. Today, we are diving deep into the hidden world beneath the soil to discover how one small creature has been shaping life on Earth for hundreds of millions of years. By the end of this documentary, you may never look at soil the same way again. Imagine slicing through the ground like a giant microscope. Instead of empty dirt, you discover an underground city, billions of bacteria, fungi stretching like underground highways, tiny insects, roots searching for water, and weaving through it all, earthworms. Scientists estimate that in healthy soil, there may be over a million earthworms living beneath a single acre of land. Together, they constantly tunnel, recycle nutrients, and transform dead plants into fertile soil. The ground beneath your feet is one of the busiest ecosystems on Earth. Earthworms belong to a group of animals called annelids, meaning segmented worms. There are more than 7,000 known species of earthworms worldwide. Some are only a few centimeters long, others grow to astonishing length. Australia's giant earthworm can exceed 3 meters, that is 10 feet. Despite lacking eyes, ears, or lungs, earthworms possess incredible adaptations. Their bodies contain hundreds of tiny muscle segments. They breathe through moist skin. Tiny bristles called setae help them grip the soil as they move. Their bodies are essentially living digging machines. Watching an earthworm crawl may seem simple. In reality, it's a masterpiece of natural engineering. The worm first stretches its front end. Tiny bristles anchor it. Then muscles contract, pulling the rest of the body forward. Repeated thousands of times, this movement allows worms to dig deep underground. Some species create permanent tunnels several feet below the surface. These tunnels become natural highways for water, oxygen, and plant roots. Every fallen leaf, every dead flower, every piece of decaying wood eventually becomes food for earthworms. They consume organic matter mixed with soil. Inside their digestive system, bacteria help break down these materials. What comes out may not look impressive, but earthworm castings are among the richest natural fertilizers on Earth. These castings contain essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, and beneficial microorganisms. For plants, this is premium nutrition. Healthy soil isn't just dirt, it's alive. Earthworms improve soil in several remarkable ways. They loosen compacted soil, they increase air circulation, they improve water infiltration, they prevent erosion, they help roots grow deeper, they distribute nutrients evenly. Many scientists call earthworms ecosystem engineers because they physically reshape their environment in ways that benefit countless other organisms. For thousands of years, farmers have unknowingly relied on earthworms. Fields rich in earthworms often produce healthier crops. Modern research shows that earthworms can significantly improve crop yields by enhancing soil structure and nutrient availability. Organic farmers often encourage earthworm population by reducing chemical use, adding compost, and minimizing excessive tilling. In many ways, earthworms provide a natural, cost effective boost to soil fertility. What if your kitchen scraps could become one of the best fertilizers of the world? With vermicomposting, they can. Special composting worms consume vegetable peels, fruit scraps, coffee grounds, and other organic waste. The result is vermicompost, a nutrient rich material often called black gold by gardeners. It improves soil health, retains moisture, and supports beneficial microbes. This simple process reduces household waste while creating valuable fertilizers. Despite their simple appearance, they are remarkably efficient organisms. Earthworms face growing challenges: heavy pesticide use, excessive soil tilling, pollution, habitat destruction, climate change. When earthworm populations decline, soil becomes less fertile and ecosystems lose an important ally. Protecting soil means protecting the creatures that maintain it. Imagine a world without earthworms. Dead leaves would accumulate more quickly. Soil would become compacted. Rainwater would run off instead of soaking in. Plant growth would decline. Food production could become more difficult. While other organisms also contribute to soil health, the absence of earthworms would profoundly affect many ecosystems. Their quiet work supports life in ways we often overlook. The greatest heroes are not always the biggest. Sometimes they live hidden beneath our feet. Every tunnel an earthworm creates, every leaf it recycles, every handful of fertile soil it helps produce supports the intricate web of life on our planet. The next time rain softens the ground and you spot an earthworm emerging from the soil, remember that you're looking at one of nature's most important engineers. Protect the soil, protect the earthworms, and together we protect our future. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who love nature and science. Let us know it in comments. What's the most surprising thing you learned about earthworms today?